Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at some Spanish word. Spanish word of the day in English, British accent, ASMR, with tea in a mug that I got from Mexico. So let's look at cauteloso. Cauteloso. Be careful. Well, cautious. Cautious. Be very cautious. Cautious. And careful. We need to be careful. Necesitamos ser cauteloso. But I don't want to be careful. Yeah. Why do I need to be careful? Why do I need to be careful with hot tea? No. I need to be careful with hot tea. You need to be careful with them. Cauteloso. Cauteloso con ellos, with them. You need to be careful with them. They are always careful with it. They're always careful with it. She needs to handle it with care. She needs to be careful when carrying it. Yeah, needs to be careful when carrying it. Yeah, I need to be careful when drinking tea. Very important. How is he going to be careful? How? It should be treated carefully. You need to apply it carefully to the surface. Yeah, paint it. Spread it carefully. Spread it carefully. Yeah. How cool is that? And cauteloso. Cautious. Yeah. Be very cautious. Yeah. Be very. You need to be cautious where you step when walking. Yeah. I need to be cautious when I am in that street, country, city. In that city. Why? Because they don't drink tea there. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. So, cauteloso, cautious. Cautious and careful. I am careful. You are careful. They are careful. He is careful. I am careful. He is careful. They are careful. There we are. Oh, I am careful. Yeah. 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 How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.